Hi, I'm Victor from Vidpros and I'm about to show you how to create thumbnails that actually get clicks. Your video is incredible, but if your thumbnail sucks, nobody will ever watch it. A great thumbnail is the difference between viral and invisible. Why thumbnails are your real weapon. Your thumbnail is your first impression. It's a visual handshake with someone who's about to scroll past. You've got maybe 2 seconds to convince them to click. That's it. A boring thumbnail means a brilliant video gets 0 views. A great thumbnail means even decent videos blow up. The thumbnail matters more than you think. Why Photoshop is the answer. Photoshop is the gold standard for this. Professional level control, precise editing, professional results. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Create your document. Start with a new document. Open Photoshop. File, Menu, New. The dimensions matter. 1200 by 1080. Resolution at 72 pixels per inch. That's perfect for digital. Choose your background color. Black, white, or whatever complements your content. Step 2. Import and position your image. Now import your image. Drag and drop it onto the canvas or file, place embedded. Position it. Resize it using Ctrl-T on Windows or Command-T on Mac. Hold Shift to keep proportions locked. Don't stretch your image. It looks terrible. Step 3. Add shapes and layers. Next, shapes. Select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Draw rectangles, circles, polygons. These become borders or backgrounds for text. Customize the color using the Properties panel. Adjust opacity. Make it pop or make it subtle. Layers style let you add depth. Drop shadows, strokes, glows. Use them. Step 4. Master your text game. Text is the heavy hitter. Select the text tool, press T. Type your headline. Keep it short, bold, readable. The best thumbnails have one main idea. One keyword, one call to action. Don't cram 10 words on the thumbnail. Your viewers are on mobile. Text needs to be massive and clear. Right-click on the text layer, blend in options, add drop shadows, strokes, make the text pop off the background. Step 5. Color correction and contrast. Color matters a lot. Use adjustment layers. Brightness and contrast, hue and saturation, color balance, make your image vibrant. High contrast, bold colors, they stand out in YouTube's grid. Clipping masks let you apply adjustments to only certain layers. Out-click between layers, now the adjustment only affects that layer. Step 6. Add visual elements, arrows, emojis, icons. They guide the viewer's eye to what matters. Use the custom shape tool or import PNG graphics. Apply subtle effects, outer glow, bevel, and emboss. Make them stand out without looking cheap. Professional design principles. Keep it simple, no clutter, no chaos. One clear focal point. Viewers decide in 2 seconds. Make every pixel count. Consistency matters. Use the same fonts, the same color palette, similar layouts. Your thumbnails should be recognizable as yours. Build a brand. Test, iterate, and improve. Test designs. Try different backgrounds, different text placements, different colors. See what resonates with your audience. A/B test. One design gets more clicks than another. Lean into what works. Ignore what doesn't. YouTube shows you the click-through rate for every video. Use that data. Iterate. Improve. Export like a pro. When you're done, save it as a PSD. That's your master file. You want to edit it again, then export it. File, export, save for web legacy, JPEG or PNG. High quality. The file size should be under 2 megabytes. YouTube prefers smaller files that load fast. Here's what happens after you've mastered thumbnails. You're creating tons of them. Every video needs one. You're spending hours in Photoshop, drawing shapes, adjusting colors, tweaking text. This adds up. Hours per week that you could be creating actual content. Hours that could be spent on your next video idea instead of perfecting your thumbnail. That's where Vidpros comes in. We design professional thumbnails custom made for your content, your brand, your style. While you're editing and uploading, we're creating click-worthy thumbnails that pull in viewers. Better thumbnails mean better click-through rates. Better click-through rates mean better visibility. Better visibility means growth. You focus on the content, we focus on making it look incredible. Master Photoshop fundamentals. Keep designs simple and bold. Test and iterate based on results. That's the formula. Now go make thumbnails that actually get clicks.